Want to give your videos a more professional and cinematic look? One of the easiest way to do that is by adding a vignette effect. A vignette darkens the edges of your video, helping draw attention to the subject in the center of the frame. To get started, open your project in CapCut Mobile and select the clip you want to edit. Next, tap Adjust from the editing menu. Scroll through the available settings until you find Vignette. Move the slider to increase the effect and watch as the corners of your video become darker. The key is to keep it subtle. A light vignette can make your footage feel more focused and polished, while a stronger vignette can create a dramatic or cinematic mood. Preview your video and adjust the intensity until it complements your footage. That's how to add a vignette in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple adjustment that can instantly make your videos feel more refined and visually appealing.